Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Blind Spectrum. I'm Chris, and this is the AT unboxing. So today we have the Braille Note Touch. So I've never unboxed one of these, so this is going to be really cool. Here we go. So let's open this up, tilt this down so you can see this a bit. There we go. Yeah. So, okay. On first opening, you get some Braille notes. Let's see here. Okay. General forms on how to use the device. Also in print. Okay. Let's take a look-see. So here we have the AV power cable, micro USB attached cable. Pins are a little pushed down, but alright. It's in pretty good order. Let's see here, what's this? Cleaning cloth to clean your screen. There we go. Let me make sure everything's good still. What's this? A shoulder strap to attach to the Braille Note in its package. And let's move this box. So here's the actual device, the actual Braille Note here. So let's see here. I do not. Oh, I see. It's magnetic. Okay, cool. That's cool. So, it comes out like this. Wow. Here's the device. You see that? Alright, cool. So, it's got your standard Braille key setup. Is this part detachable? I don't think so. Oh yes it is. A Braille display below it. And, yeah, so this is really cool. So here's the deal. I'll be doing a review video on the Braille Note Touch fairly soon. We'll be coming out with a video on it. But, nice little front pouch. Oh, to keep the power cable and all this stuff with it. That's nice. That's real nice. So yeah, that's it for the Braille Note Touch. That's the unboxing of it. I'm sorry it's really quick, but there's not much to the device. So we will be coming out with lessons videos and a review video on how to work this little guy. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm Chris, Chief of AT, and this is Blind Spectrum. Have a good day.